Oh, I think the potential horror story that leaps to mind is the whole issue relative to letters of hire. What happened to Professor Bennett, and the commitment of the university administration to him in terms of the equipment and the funding that had been promised to him in his letter of hire being basically arbitrarily taken away by an assistant dean, and then the union having to fight and negotiate on his behalf, but also on behalf of everyone else, because the language that was being used by administration to say that no, they didn't have to follow through on their commitments in the statements, in the letters of hire, that would have impacted all of us, everybody who had been working at the university for 10, 15, 20 plus years. All of those letters of hire would have been in jeopardy. So all of our conditions could have been basically dismissed on the basis of the argument that the administration was making. And so I think there is an example of what benefit comes from being a member of the union. You have an opportunity to feel confident that even before you step on campus for your first day as a University of Hawaii employee in a faculty position, that you know that what has been promised to you has to be followed through on the part of the employer.